Hey everybody, it's Matt. I got Charlotte coming downstairs soon, and we're going to build the LEGO Super Mario Starter Course, now available at Best Buy, along with a bunch of other LEGO Super Mario sets. One thing that I thought was really cool is that it has a Bluetooth connection, and I think this is the Mario connects via Bluetooth. Within our starter course, I know we don't get Luigi, but we do get a couple other figures here. We get the start pipe, we get the gold pole, Bowser Jr., Goomba, as well as a question block. And as you can see, there are some other expansion sets. There is a companion app that is 1.5 gigs. And it seems to imply that there's no instruction manual that's included or quick start guide, but we'll take a look. Let's get this thing open and let's get it going. Managed to unbox everything here, take everything out. It does come with a quick start guide, by the way. We did download the Super Mario app as well. We watched an introductory video. What were your thoughts?
Thoughts were, it's very fun that it is Mario who's next to me.
Yeah, that's right. And so we'll be connecting to the app once we've built everything. Now, one thing that we were talking about on camera before we started filming was this is a Super Mario set, and all the Super Mario levels are timed. So should we time ourselves and see how long it takes us to build this?
Yes.
All right. Well, we're not going to show you the whole thing, but you can at least follow along. All right, you got bag number 1 in hand. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. We just finished building Lego Mario, and you're going to need a screwdriver and 2 AAA batteries, as we quickly learned. Luckily, we had both. Do you want to turn them on and turn them back off to show people how it works?
Lego Mario time! See you later!
Now that we've put Mario together, we're going to open up the app and finish building there. What I've decided to do is I'm just going to download this on my iPad instead so that we have a bigger display. So obviously, technicality, we've stopped the timer, right? One thing that I think is really cool here is that it looks like they've broken off the different modules of building into objectives. Okay, you take a rest then, Mario. As you can see, there's a couple little modules and objectives and things here, and this looks really cool. So we're gonna get building, and Mario's fallen asleep with my explanation. Okay, just before we start building things again, Shar just wanted to give you a quick demo on how it works when Mario touches different terrain.
So on the green one, he will show grass here, then water, and I noticed if you hold him on red too long, he will die.
All right, let's finish building the rest of the set. We've completed our first course, and it was in about 7 minutes or so. Do you want to take us through what you've done?
Yeah. So first, he will... Here's a final shot at all the little platforms and things that we've built over the last little bit. And as you can see, we've got a video running in the background of how you can take care of Bowser Jr. We do have a small whack of some extra pieces and platforms and things that we can also build with. And obviously, because it's a Lego set, it comes with couple extra pieces in case we lose anything. So we're gonna have a little bit of fun now, and we're gonna start putting some of these things together and defeat some enemies, and we're gonna show you how some of these coin blocks and things work as well. Okay, to close out our video, we have a little course designed here. Can you tell us about this course?
So I've made this myself, and I've put a Goomba here, and I've used all the enemies that we build, that we've built. Bowser Jr. and the Goomba.
And you've got yourself a little, the question mark block in between as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so to start your own level, you basically just go to my first course here. And you can freestyle this, by the way, but we found this feature that we wanted to show off as well. So make sure that the Mario's hooked up through Bluetooth, and this is gonna track your progress. So let's push this a little bit closer in. I'm gonna give you Mario, and why don't you show us how this works?
Okay, so first, you will have built a pipe, and it will have a little thing in there, and you want Mario to scan it. So that will start the level. Same with the Goomba. So he's out.
Okay, 5 coins.
And a mushroom. You're the worst, Bowser Jr. And same thing with the flagpole. It also has one of those scan things.
Yeah, and as you can see now, it's showing us that the level's finished.
And I've got 19 coins. Oh yeah.
And we're all done.
What we showed you in the video is one of 3 starter sets. So we reviewed the Super Mario starter set. There's also an Adventures with Luigi starter set, and then there's this one with Princess Peach. In addition, there are about a dozen different expansion sets, maybe more, including Yoshi's Gift House here, things like Bowser's Airship, Princess Peach's Castle, and there's a bunch of Luigi's Mansion sets as well. So I think that we were so happy with this one that we're probably going to go back for some more, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get the other starter set as well. This is the Lego Super Mario Brothers Mario Starter Course, now available at Best Buy, online at bestbuy.ca, along with a whole bunch of the expansion sets like this one. Thank you for watching the review. Please subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this, and we'll see you next time.